Debt can feel like a heavy weight, a burden that seems to grow heavier with each passing day. It can feel like you're carrying an invisible load that no one else can see, but you can feel it in every step you take, holding you back from your dreams. The dreams of owning a home, traveling the world, or even just living comfortably without the constant worry of bills piling up. It can cause stress, anxiety, and feel impossible to overcome. The sleepless nights, the constant worry, and the feeling of being trapped in a never-ending cycle. But there is hope. There is a way out, and it starts with taking the first step towards understanding and managing your debt. Debt relief is possible, and millions have found freedom from debt. Imagine the joy and relief of seeing those debt letters disappear, of celebrating milestones with loved ones, and of finally feeling in control of your financial future. This guide will provide a step-by-step roadmap to help you navigate your journey to financial freedom. From understanding your current financial situation to creating a realistic budget, and from exploring debt relief options to building a sustainable financial plan for the future. Remember, taking control of your finances is a powerful feeling. You can do this. It's about making informed decisions, setting achievable goals, and celebrating each small victory along the way. Debt relief is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Each person's financial situation is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to find a plan that fits your specific needs and circumstances. It's a personalized journey that requires commitment and discipline. It involves setting clear financial goals, tracking your progress, and staying motivated even when the going gets tough. But the rewards are worth it. The sense of accomplishment, the peace of mind, and the freedom to live your life without the constant worry of debt. Imagine a life where you have control over your finances, where you can make decisions based on your goals and dreams, not on your debts, where you can save for the future, build a nest egg for retirement, and plan for the vacations and experiences you've always wanted, and pursue your passions without the burden of debt. Whether it's starting a new hobby, traveling, or simply enjoying more quality time with loved ones, financial freedom opens up a world of possibilities. This guide will empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions about your finances, from understanding interest rates to negotiating with creditors, and from creating a debt repayment plan to building an emergency fund. It's time to take charge, break free from the chains of debt, and start living the life you deserve. The journey may be challenging, but with determination, the right tools, and a clear plan, you can achieve financial freedom and live a life full of possibilities. The first step towards debt relief is understanding your current financial situation. This involves taking a close look at your income, expenses, and debts. Start by gathering all your financial statements, including bank statements, credit card bills, and loan documents. Next, create a list of all your debts, including the creditor, total amount owed, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. This will give you a clear picture of how much you owe and to whom. Don't be afraid to face the numbers, even if they seem overwhelming. Once you have a handle on your debts, it's time to examine your income and expenses. Track your income from all sources and categorize your expenses. This analysis will reveal areas where you can potentially cut back on spending. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding your financial landscape, you can make informed decisions about your debt relief journey. A budget is an essential tool for debt relief. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate more money towards debt repayment. Creating a budget might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start by listing your monthly income from all sources. Then, track your expenses, categorizing them as essential and non-essential. Essential expenses include housing, food, and transportation. Non-essential expenses are things you can live without, such as entertainment, dining out, and subscriptions. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start allocating your money. The goal is to create a surplus in your budget by reducing non-essential expenses and increasing your income if possible. This surplus will be used to make extra payments towards your debts. Section 4. Step 3. Prioritizing debts. Conquering the most urgent ones first. Understanding which debts to tackle first can create a clear path to financial freedom. Not all debts are created equal. Some debts, like high-interest credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. These types of debts can accumulate interest at an alarming rate, making it harder to pay them off over time. High-interest credit cards are particularly dangerous because the interest compounds, meaning you end up paying interest on your interest. This can lead to a situation where your debt grows faster than you can pay it off. Cutting up your credit cards can be a symbolic and practical step towards controlling your spending. It's important to prioritize your debts and focus on paying off the most urgent ones first. Urgent debts are those that have the highest interest rates, or those that could have severe consequences if not paid, such as mortgage or car payments. Start by listing your debts in order of interest rate, from highest to lowest. This will give you a clear picture of which debts are costing you the most money. By organizing your debts this way, you can create a strategic plan to tackle them effectively. Focus on making extra payments towards the debt with the highest interest rate while making minimum payments on the others. This approach ensures that you are reducing the most costly debt first, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. This strategy, known as the debt snowball method, helps you save money on interest and accelerate your debt repayment journey. The debt snowball method involves paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum and motivation. Another approach is the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize debts with the highest balances first. This method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates, regardless of the balance, which can save you more money on interest over time. This method may save you more money on interest in the long run, but it's essential to choose a strategy that you can stick with. The key is to find a method that keeps you motivated and committed to your debt repayment plan. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to debt repayment. Regularly making payments, no matter how small, can make a significant difference over time. Keeping track of your progress can also help you stay motivated and focused on your goal. Choose a method that motivates you and helps you stay on track. Whether it's the debt snowball method or the debt avalanche method, the most important thing is to remain consistent and committed to your plan. Celebrate your milestones along the way and keep your eyes on the prize, a debt-free future. Section 5. Step 4. Exploring debt relief options. Finding the right fit for you. Once you've assessed your finances, created a budget, and prioritized your debts, it's time to explore debt relief options. This step is crucial as it can significantly impact your financial future. Understanding the different avenues available can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and current situation. There are various options available, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. It's important to weigh these carefully. Debt consolidation, debt settlement, and credit counseling are among the most common methods people use to manage and reduce their debt. Each of these options has unique features that may or may not suit your specific needs. One option is debt consolidation, which involves combining multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can be particularly beneficial if you have several high-interest debts, as it simplifies your monthly payments and can reduce the total amount of interest you pay over time. This can simplify your finances and potentially save you money on interest. By having just one payment to manage, you can focus more on paying down the principal amount rather than juggling multiple payments and due dates. However, it's essential to ensure that the new loan terms are favorable and that you don't end up paying more in the long run. Another option is debt settlement, where you negotiate with your creditors to pay a lump sum that's less than the total amount owed. This can be a viable option if you're struggling to make minimum payments and need immediate relief. However, debt settlement can negatively impact your credit score. It's a trade-off that requires careful consideration. While it can provide short-term relief, the long-term effects on your creditworthiness can be significant, making it harder to obtain loans or credit in the future. Credit counseling agencies can provide guidance and support throughout your debt relief journey. These agencies offer professional advice and can help you understand your options better. They can help you create a budget, negotiate with creditors, and develop a debt management plan. A debt management plan can consolidate your payments into one monthly payment, often with reduced interest rates or waived fees, making it easier to manage your debt. Remember, it's crucial to thoroughly research and understand the implications of each debt relief option before making a decision. Take the time to consult with financial advisors, read up on each method, and consider how each option aligns with your long-term financial goals. Making an informed choice can set you on the path to financial stability and peace of mind. Section 6. Step 5. Implementing your debt repayment plan. Staying the course. Implementing your debt repayment plan requires discipline and commitment. It's about making consistent payments towards your debts while staying motivated and focused on your goal of financial freedom. Start by setting realistic goals and timelines for debt repayment. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This will make the process less overwhelming and more attainable. Track your progress regularly and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the journey. If you miss a payment or encounter unexpected expenses, don't get discouraged. Adjust your plan as needed and keep moving forward. Stay connected with your support system. Share your goals with family or friends who can offer encouragement and accountability. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions have successfully navigated their way out of debt, and so can you.